Good morning. My name is Verlaine Gachet and I am a patient of this practice. When it comes to dentist or dental work, I like to call myself Mr. Wimpy because I am very much afraid of the dental pain and the works and everything. But this is my first visit in terms of I came for a cleaning, and my experience has been one of the greatest. I've been to the dentist before, but I've never been that satisfied. Today, I had somebody who took care of me, and as a matter of fact, I came here as Mr. Wimpy, and I'm living as Mr. Brave. That says it all. And the practice, the service, the attendance, even if you're poor, you'll come out of here feeling like a millionaire. That's what I have to say.